Welcome to a brand new series of Tried and Tested. Today we'll be talking about Kadhai. By the end of the video, you will know exactly what to buy based on your requirements and usage. Also, there is something special for you guys, so stay tuned till the end. The first thing that comes to mind when we see multiple varieties of kadais at the store is what's the difference? We have two varieties of kadhai here with us. This one is stainless steel and the other is hard anodized. These are from Softel. The stainless steel kadhai is usually durable and sturdy with a long life. That's why most of us have a pair in our household. Secondly, talking about hard anodized kadhai, it's a good conductor of heat, which means it allows heat to pass through it easily, which makes cooking quite convenient. Now that we know what stainless steel and hard anodized are, let's know what are their usages. Here I have Softel stainless steel kadhai in which multiple cooking is possible like sautéing, steaming, etc. And Softel's hard anodized aluminium kadhai gives us a high cooking performance even while using less oil. They both also have a sturdy bakelite handle which allows smooth handling. Now let's discuss what should be the ideal weight of kadhai. The ideal weight of kadhai depends on your usage. Normal kadhais in the market are around 2 kg. Here I have Softel stainless steel 4 liter kadhai, which is 3 kg. It consists of 18 gauge high quality steel, which makes it a little heavier. And Softel's hard anodized kadhai compared to stainless steel is quite light. So if you're looking for something lighter in weight and with a higher capacity, you should opt for this. Also, hard anodized is stronger than steel. Now let's move to the next category. How durable these kadhais are? Stainless steel, because of its heavy weight, is quite sturdy. So if you feel there is a high possibility of kadhai falling, you should look into this option. Hard anodized kadhais are known to be scratch resistant, hence it doesn't chip or peel. Also, it is metal ladle friendly. Now let's move to the next category. Are the kadais induction friendly? Induction? Yes, both of them are. In normal market, kadhais after some use the bottom gets separated from the kadhai and the kadhai become useless. But here due to high quality of material, it can directly be used on induction or gas. Who should buy this? If your cooking requires minimum oil use and if you want the cleaning of the product to be easy, then Softel's hard anodized kadhai is best for you. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet long-lasting option, then I would suggest going for Softel's stainless steel kadhai. It is durable and sturdy. It's also non-reactive to acidic foods. And if you are a bachelor or have a small family and don't need a 4 liter capacity, you can always opt for Softel's stainless steel 2 liter mini kadhai. This is also a really good gifting option for your dear ones. Finally, coming to one of the most important questions. What are the prices? The MRP of Softel stainless steel 2 liter mini kadhai is 1695, but Rasoi Shop is currently selling it for 1235 with 5 plates. Softel stainless steel 2 liter kadhai comes with 2 idli plates, 2 dhokla plates and 1 patra plate. Next, the MRP of Softel stainless steel 4 liter kadhai is 2795, but Rasoi Shop is currently selling it for 1999 with 6 plates. Softel stainless steel 4 liter kadhai comes with 2 idli plates, 2 deep dhokla plates, 1 steamer plate and 1 mini idli plate. Finally, we have Softel's hard anodized 4 liter kadhai. The MRP is 3795, but Rasoi Shop is currently selling it for 2795 with 6 plates. Softel's hard anodized kadhai comes with 2 idli plates, 2 deep dhokla plates, 1 steamer plate and 1 mini idli plate. 2 plates can be used at the same time in all kadhais, ensuring efficient cooking. Also, all the materials used in Softel Anodized are from the Hindalco company, making it long-lasting. And like I said in the beginning, I have a special surprise for you. which is on all the products. You will get a special discount of 250 rupees if you use the coupon code Rajshri Rasoi Shop. Check out the link given in the description box to avail the offer. So that's it from Tried and Tested. Let us know which other products you would like to see next. And don't forget to visit rasoishop.com and check out 5000 plus kitchenware products from 100 plus brands.